GT customers 5% extra until this August 31. So this time we have planned for more than 500 varieties and 50 plus products in our shop NPK Crackers Sivakasi.
So guys, today we will be covering NPK Crackers Sivakasi shop and we will be doing a shop tour. Around 500 items actually in the stock, and for more details you can refer to their website. Lot of items are there. We cannot cover all the items in one video, so I'll pan it. ये सारे आइटम इनके पास अवेलेबल हैं, आप जैसे देख पा रहे हैं वीडियो में. मैं हिंदी में जानबूझ के बोल रहा हूँ ताकि काफ़ी लोग समझ पाएँ. और काफ़ी स्टॉक अवेलेबल है. इनके सब फैंसी आइटम्स हैं. ये सारे INF के और बाकी केक्स रखे हैं इन्होंने. ये देखिए आप, ब्लू स्टार है 10x10, INF के हैं 8 in the sky है. तो INF के कोई भी आइटम आप देखें सारे इनके पास अवेलेबल हैं. ये आप देखो, all the cakes they have. This peacock cake also is there. 4x6 is a very beautiful cake. They have. So I have Harsha with me. He will be explaining it.
Hi, first of all, thank you for the last year support, the one which you gave last year. So again, this is the second year that we are continuing with the General Tech actually. So this time we have planned for more than 500 varieties and 50 plus products in our shop NPK Crackers Sivakasi. So here basically we start from 7 rupees kurvi, kurvi crackers. From we have like 1450 rupees pipe. All the varieties we have completely. So I can showcase you whatever now I can show in this video. Later that you can check in my website www.npkcrackers.in to know the complete details of all the crackers that we have. We can go into the video. So this is a tower plot. It will like it comes from the fountain. Timing will be like around 1 minute. Then you will get 2 Skyshots in one that pot. This will cost 350 rupees in Sivakasi. Then we have Jolly Bobby from Ashok brand. It will contains of 3 pieces. It is like full crackling fountain, complete crackling fountain. So we have 3 or 4 varieties in this Jolly Bobby category. Then we have Indian Fantasy Tree and Ludo King. It will like a repeating fountain function. First green, white, red. So it will have like 3 or 4 function in this mountains. Yeah, multi-repeating fountains. Raj Club brand. So we have Damu crackers. Here in this it is called as cracker samosa. It will like first it will come with a smoke effect, then it will burst and you will get the color papers from that thing. So it will be like basically kids item, very famous item inside. Then we have giraffe in this. Here it is a fountain like function. So you will get HD colors, red and green with very high flower pot. Actually this one. So here comes the new item of Sivakasi 2024. This is called as icon. You can take it in the hands and you can burst. It won't do anything. It's a cold pyro. Yeah, it will be very unique product launched in Sivakasi. So this is one of the new item which came in 2024. It is like 2 fountain in this one. So if you burst, it will come 2 fountain. After that, the egg, hen will lay 1 egg. It will be very unique function also. This is one candle, one type of candle. It will like super siren candle. In the Abu fireworks, it cost around 110 rupees. First you will get the siren sound and then you will crackle. 2 functions from. So it will be like 2 in 1 and it will be good. So you can see here the first of all the Vanita brand. It's a very famous brand and we will get we have selected very unique product. It is like drag and drop, pink out, jungle party and skycopter. In this jungle party and skycopter is a 6-inch which is very big in India actually for now. Then here comes the INF brand 2-piece item 4-inch. So it will be comes with multicolor with crackling and you will get the aces as pink and blueberry as a blue and it will be very big display you will get in the sky. Then you get the triple treat that will be like 3 pieces and function will be very good. Then it is a budget cell try me. It will cost around 500 rupees 2 shells. So it starts with Anand. Anand is very big brand actually. They are doing many varieties, pink, blue, orange and aqua. All are very unique colors which is different from other brands. And you can get 4-inch shells also which is very cost effective and very good. And you can get double ball. In this we have 5 varieties actually in the double ball. Salt and pepper, sweet and salt, rock and roll. Yeah, sorry. You will get blue and pink function in rock and roll. So we have some varieties which was stocked now. This year we have launched a Man brand and Chellam brand. Man brand is very cost effective, which is very comes around 270 only. You will get the blue and violet color there. Then in Chellam's 330 rupees it will cost. You will get double ball with the different functions, which is not the same for. It will differ for all. Very cost effective. This year we have some few pipes in Vostra brand, which is very unique, like pink, blue, golden eye, daddy, mummy, daddy and mummy and Tom and Jerry will be double ball, and you will get two Niagaras, which is not in any other brand. Only this brand we are doing with the two Niagaras. Blue Star is also one of the good brand around India. We have some unique shells in 4-inch shells like Bingo Boom, Blue Pearl, Cool Rain, and Queen Shower. After that, we have 3-inch shells which cost around 195 only. So we can go for here Mother's 5-inch shells, which is very huge display you can get. Mothers and Pandian have in 5-inch shells. So mothers we have very unique shells Niagara, which is colored. Actually, no, Niagara is normal, not a normal color. It's just colored. Then we have 3 balls from Niagara. We have 3 balls from Mother's brand, which is triple ball they will call. Then we have 12-step new variety from Leah. 12 balls will go up and it will burst with 12 effects. Then we have double ball, complete crackling with Kadir valence. Then we have RSR brand 3.5-inch special cells. Actually, all these special cells comes with crackling, and we have 4-inch from RSR brands, which was very only 320 rupees 4-inch shells. Then we have Niagara from SRM brand, which is very cost effective, like only 280 rupees. Yeah, Sony we have started with Hulk Warrior. It is 3-piece, which is completely crackling. Then we have some 3.5-inch and 4-inch shells with Bollywood magic, and we have some many varieties. You can see in our website www.npkcrackers.in for more details. And we have like Mona series. This is Mavi, Tui, and Grama. All with comes under with crackling colors with crackling. Then we have special Dio's Happy New Year series, which is ring effect. So very unique from all other brand. This Sony shells. Here comes the famous INF shells. This is very differ from all other brand, which is very loved by many of the peoples all over India. So it starts from golden eye crackling, white, golden eye, and golden eye green, red, and we have 7 steps in this INF variety. And we have unique shells Godfather and Neela Angel, which is pink and blue. Then we have some unique shells like Fanta orange, Rock Mavel crackling, gold color, Big Boss green, Niagara, and Tom Wright cool colors, and hot chips. Covering all the Meha setouts. It starts from 30 shot 2.5-inch pipe Bright Squad Lobster brand, and Pyrogems 36 shots from INF brand, and 3x6. It's like it will go like 3x6 times. So then we have many shells. Actually, we'll go one by one. 5x10 from Chellam's brand, Sky Damaka 10x10 from Blue Star brand. Then we have Pyro Gems, Art and Sky, Oscar, and Marvelous. After that we have 3x10, 4x6, 3x6, all shells from INF, and Blue Star we have 3.5-inch. Then Ananda's Grand GTA 24 shot new arrival of 2024. Then we have Marvelous also from INF. So other than this, we have 30 shots, 60 shots, until 504 shots we have all brand Mothers, Oscar, Leah, Blue Star, INF, all the Ashok. We have many brands and many varieties. You can check in our website npkcrackers.in for more details. So you can see like we have a lot of varieties in shots also. 30 shots, Madans, Chellams, Leah, Blue Star, INF. So we have multiple brands with multiple collections. This will be very limited time. So if you want to order, then check the website and order very soon, as soon as possible, to get all the varieties into your cart. Customer is going to buy about 10,000. We are offering for only GT customers 5% extra until this August 31. So book your orders very soon to get all offers and all the varieties to your home from NPK Crackers.
So thanks Harshavardhan actually for telling us all the details actually about whatever the items you have. I think 500 items you have. Yeah. So most of the items actually we have covered, especially pipe item we have covered. So for other details actually you can refer to the website npkcrackers.com, and you can also contact our phone actually to Harshavardhan. So thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Thanks. Happy Diwali.
Thank you. Happy Diwali.
Yeah.
अगर आप दिवाली तक नए स्काई शॉट्स की वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं तो जल्दी से हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए